Welcome to your Greater Centralia Chamber Medical Minute for January 18th, 2021. Let's go through some community data first with COVID-19. Our R0 value has decreased to 1.0, which is a huge decrease actually, and we're now in the yellow category, which is spreading instead of what we have been in, which has been rapidly spreading. And as of 1/14/21, Region 5, which is where we sit, our 7-day rolling average was 6.3%. Marion County, our 7-day rolling average is 3.4%. So that is a huge improvement and welcomed data. IDPH announced that Region 5 is moving to the Tier 1, and that started this weekend on Saturday, January 16th. So what that does is that puts bars and restaurants, and they're allowed now to do indoor service, limited to lesser of 25% or 25 per room. There are other restrictions though, like 4 people per table. You can't be there more than 2 hours. You have to close by 11 p.m. and not open before 6 a.m. So there are still some restrictions. In Tier 1, if you remember that there are meetings and social events and gatherings, those restrictions have let up. So you can now have 25 guests or 25% of overall capacity. This includes things like weddings, funerals, etc. And then Tier 1, we must meet the following metrics, which we have been. Test positivity rate below 8% for 3 days on the 7-day average rolling, and then greater than or equal to 20% available staffed ICU beds for 3 days on the 7-day average for the entire region, and no sustained increase in the number of COVID hospitalizations 7 out of the last 10 days. And also, of course, the masking, the hand hygiene, and the 6 feet away distance, all that stuff still remains very important as we are decreasing these mitigations and opening back up. Some more information. Let's talk more about the vaccine right now. So total Illinois doses administered is approximately 487,000 as of last week. In Marion County, that number is approximately 1,400 individuals that have been vaccinated. In Clinton County, 2,128. To remind you, this is based on priority phasing. Phase 1A started in mid-December and included frontline healthcare workers, residents, and staff of long-term care facilities. 1B is set to start on January 25th, 2021, which includes frontline essential workers and people aged 65 years old or over. So we're starting to get that vaccine phasing through a little bit more. We do have quite a bit of vaccine within Illinois, over 1 million doses to provide, and so going through that priority phasing that we've talked about in the past. And so the recap for today, we were looking really good on the positivity rate, hospitalizations, and then I guess you could say we're being rewarded with some moving into Tier 1 and getting back to a little bit more business. So thank you so much for your time and have a great day.